Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Tam Predicts. I wanted to give you some special messages that might be good for your current situation. You might be looking for some answers. So, I just wanted to do this. I had not prepared myself to do a reading, but yes, I think, it was a calling that I have to do this reading. So, people who are new to my channel, welcome to Tam Predicts. And I am a psychic, I'm a medium, and I'm an intuitive tarot reader. I read my cards differently. They were really calling out to me my monology cards today. And I'm using the other general cards also. And let's see what are the messages for today. So this is your current situation, could be fitting in your current situation. Maybe you were looking for answers and you stumbled upon this video. So let's see what answers you really needed. This card, whenever I was shuffling the deck even when I was holding this deck in the beginning, I saw this card. I really feel November is going to be a great time for you, and luck will be on your side, especially when it comes to love. I want to say that love situation is going to improve from now onwards. You could be you could be with a Sagittarian, or you could be a Sagittarius yourself. So things are going to be moving your way, the kind of relationship that you want. If you wanted a relationship in a particular way, if there were things not going right, I think everything is going to be fine, because especially in love, I feel there is going to be luck on your side, and I also feel a new love coming your way. So if you've been feeling lonely or worried, you've not been seeing the right person, or you wondering when the right person will come into your life, I get more of a November. That November, somebody is going to come in your life, and that's going to be suddenly, like how the arrow like really will hit you like a Cupid's arrow. So this is going to happen very fast. So maybe you needed to know that. So a new romantic cycle begins, is coming upturned, it's coming reversed. So I really feel this is not the right time for you to start anything new. Like I said, November is a better time. Let October go. The person that you really wanted to be with, I think that will come in November, because that's what I see here. Because maybe if you're in a relationship right now, it doesn't seem really balanced. Are you looking for balance? Is another thing that I get. So this is maybe a difficult time for relationships, and you got to wait till October ends, because like I said, November is coming. Look at this card. I just picked this card out. It says a new start is coming. Of course, it's new love entering your life pretty much soon. October is ending in another week or so. I also see completing a circle with someone. This is not a love reading, but I do not know why it's turning into a love reading. But this is expecting a big change is going to come, or you are expecting a change, or you're going to change your situation soon. That's what I feel. But this is a positive change. So whatever is going to happen in your life will be in a positive. There'll be positivity there. This is a full moon. This is completing circles, completing a full circle with someone, completing something. If you were looking for completing a project, if you were looking for things to materialize in your life, if you wanted something, it will be it will happen pretty soon. Something to do with circles also. I do not know if you draw circles, or if you've been going around in circles and you've not found your way out. You are going to break that chain, and you're going to find a way out. I really feel a new start is coming in. It could be a job also. I get a job also, but job I get more after November 22nd or 25th. But this is a powerful change. This is you pretty much in control of the situation and of your emotions, is what I get. Here it is. So now, if your life is not balanced, it will be balanced soon. Remember, this card came reversed, and now that I've shuffled, it's come upright in my hand. So if you've not been finding the balance, if your life has been like this, even could be your job wise, your designation not matching with the money, or you're not really happy, and you think things are not balanced. I do not know why I get the word unfair. Something is unfair, has not been fair in your life, but yes, things are going to balance out. This is a card of balance. Maybe you needed balance in your life. Maybe you needed to hear that. Sorry, my voice is gone again. I feel big changes coming your way. Let's see what are the other messages. This is just a quick reading that I wanted to do, and I really thought that some of you would need some kind of answers or messages. But this is some good news also coming your way. Though you thought it will come sooner, but it'll take 1 or 2 days. Something that you were really waiting for, you will get to hear from that person, the job, or somebody from the family. The phone call will come another 2 days. That's what I feel. You've been waiting for a call. Probably it brings you an important message, a love message. You're going to connect with an old flame. I do not know why I said it, but it just came out of my mouth. Maybe that's important for you. There's a celebration of a kind, three people, probably your family getting together, celebrating somebody's birthday, anniversary, but celebrating a big thing. I get a big event. I do not get a small event, but you will be getting, together for a big event. I also get women who are older than 30, 40, something, getting together to celebrate a victory, but it is a big event. And number three is important for you. I see happiness. I see the lover's card. I see family. Look at this. I see stability coming in. I see you buying a new home. I feel you moving into a bigger home. I feel moving into another home. But there is movement. Whenever you hear this and you wanted, um, and things were not really moving forward or were not really moving for you, but I really feel there is movement from whenever you hear my messages here. And there is stability. This is happiness. This is happiness coming from a home, from family being together, from dreams coming true. Maybe you always dreamt of building your own house or moving into a bigger house, but these are dreams related to a house that are coming true. This is something you find. It's kind of an investment in luxury or something, but this is a beautiful place. I do feel celebrations coming, in a big way. I feel the word I get is big. It's not a small celebration. Look at this. Although somebody's going to offer you something that you really like, could be a job, could be anything. Look at this. You're going to be happy with whatever the other person is offering you. Maybe if you're selling something and you wanted a certain amount for the piece of land you were selling, you're going to get the value, or the real value of the land or something. You're going to get the money, or maybe a better price that you were thinking of. Maybe you're going to get more than you were thinking. The message that I get here is more than you were thinking. I also get two number, lucky two. I do not know why, what it means to you, but I get lucky two. So could be a couple, could be anything, could be lucky two. Two number is important for you in some way. But this is somebody offering you something like a dream job, dream house, something, moving to a dream house. This is dreams coming true. Another three more messages I feel I have to give you. There'll be victory, but go towards it. Complete your goals. You have to achieve something, you have to complete something, but tread slowly. Do not make impulsive decisions. Do not move too quickly, also too fast also, because you're going to spoil things. Okay, maintain the pace you are at. That's the message that I get. Why is this? Let's give this. Kind of feeling tired, you've been doing a lot of work, you need a break. With this one, up reversed, I feel you need a break of some sorts, because you've been tired of managing the throne, managing the office, managing things on your own. You're looking for somebody who can help you, but this is you taking a break because you had a very hard time at work. So I think you should take a break. This is a little wish card. I'm going to see it. It's like a wish card. Somebody from your past coming back. This is also uh, you planning for something. Whatever you're planning for, like I said, just be very careful of what you're planning. But plan it with care. Be careful while planning things, because it's like plans getting thrown out of the window or something. So um, you got to be very smart about your strategy, or whatever you're planning. You got to think it through, is the message that I get. So don't just jump into things and say, okay, let's do this and let's start this. You got to do your homework. That's what I get. That's another message that I get. Do your homework before doing anything. So those were the messages for you. I think you needed them in this current situation. So I hope it gives you some kind of a clarity. I'll be back again with a longer message. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.